Hello children, you must have traveled by train during holidays to visit places of your choice. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the journey by train. Let us today start a new lesson, Omana's Journey, which also captures the experience of Omana's train journey, which she has recorded in her diary for her best friend Radha. Through this lesson, you will be able to recall your own experiences of a train journey. You will know what a diary entry is. You will also be able to list the things we come across during a train journey and recognize people engaged in railway services. Finally, you will also be able to locate Gujarat and Kerala on the map of India. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both their families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she would not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. Before we go ahead, let us see where Kerala is located. Kerala is located in the southern part of India. Here you can see in this map. Children, let us also have a look of a train ticket. Here you can see a picture of a train ticket. As Radha's mother has suggested Omana to write about the trip in a diary, let us have a look of how we write diary. First, we write day, date and time. Then we write Dear Diary as salutation. Then we write body of the diary in which we record our experience. Then finally we sign off by writing our name. Now let us come to the story. Omana and her family reached the station. They saw a huge crowd there. When the train arrived from Gandhidham, there was so much of confusion. People were getting off and pushing to get inside from one door. Somehow they got into the train. All the people settled down on their seats and the ticket collector came to check their tickets. Omana sat near the window and she started writing diary. She stopped writing for some time to enjoy the food her mother had brought. She had brought dhokla chutney, lemon rice and mithai. You learned that the train came from Gandhidham. Children, do you know where Gandhidham is situated? It is in Gujarat. You can see Gujarat here on the map of India. Now the train moves ahead and some people slept after having lunch. Omana continued sitting at the window. She enjoyed the scenery outside. She saw things outside running in the opposite direction. It's evening now. The train stopped at Valsad station where she could see vendors selling out different things. She could see chai wala, vada wala, puri bhaji wala, etc. Gradually, she developed friendship with other children in the train, Sunil and N. They gave her storybooks to read. Before going to sleep, she wanted to brush her teeth, but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody told her that it will be filled at the next big station. Can you think of why there was no water in the bathroom? Think of it. We shall discuss it in the next class. Thank you.